The master chef in the house. Zazu, what are you cooking? What are you cooking? He's the master chef in our house. He's cooking today. Ta-ta-ta, you're cooking ta-ta-ta. Zazu, what are you cooking? Zazu, what are you cooking? You want me to taste it? Is the dish ready? Zazu, is the dish ready? Okay, Daddy, it's ready. Okay, I'm bringing it to you.